In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a live chat feature on your Wix website. Implementing live chat on your website can significantly enhance customer interaction, making it effortless for visitors to reach out to you with questions or concerns. So let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to navigate to Wix's official website by going to www.wix.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then log into your account. If you have multiple websites under your account, make sure to open the specific site where you want to add the live chat feature. When you're in your account dashboard, it's time to head over to the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens. Find the button that says Edit Site. Clicking on this will open up your website in the Wix editor. The editor is a robust tool that allows you to add various apps and widgets to your site, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetics. Now we are ready to add the live chat feature. Click on the plus add button in the left-hand menu, then choose App Market. Within the App Market, you can search for Wix Chat. This is the native live chat application offered by Wix, and it integrates seamlessly with their platform. Once you locate it, click on Add to Site to incorporate it into your site design. After successfully adding Wix Chat to your site, you'll need to configure it to suit your needs. Head over to the Settings menu, and from there, navigate to Chat Settings. Here, you'll have several customization options. You can create a personalized welcome message that will greet visitors when they initiate a chat. Set your chat availability so visitors know when you're online or offline. You can also style the chat button to match your website's theme, adjusting things like color, position, and the text displayed. Lastly, ensure that notifications for new messages are enabled so you don't miss any incoming queries. With everything set up, it's crucial to test the chat to make sure it's functioning as expected. Click on the preview button to see your live chat in action from a visitor's perspective. Try sending a message to yourself to confirm that everything is working smoothly and that messages are being received in your Wix dashboard. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to make it live. Click the Publish button, and voila! Your live chat is now active and ready for all your visitors to use. And that's it. Your Wix site now features a live chat option, enhancing the ways you can engage with your audience and address their concerns promptly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in the next video.